Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an iPhone keeps disconnecting on Wi-Fi. So let's just get straight into the video. So there are a couple of quick fixes and also network and settings adjustments that you can do in order to fix these problems. The first is going to be a airplane mode turn on and turn off. This is going to be a quick fix. Also try to restart your iPhone, and if you have any VPNs enabled, just turn that off. On the network and settings adjustment, you want to simply go ahead and open the Wi-Fi tab that keeps disconnecting. All you need to do is click on the I tab and then simply click on forget this network on top and then reconnect to it. The final step to follow is going to be heading into settings, tapping on general, scrolling all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.